so we're gonna make this a sip with me and unbox video because your girl needs some wine. So y'all might have seen this in my last video. This Sutter Home, let me move my face. This Sutter Homes, your girl is drinking this, and I got some. I have some stuff I need to get off my chest about Fashionnova anyway. So, my bad, y'all. Cheers. Ugh, this is awful. It's a little warm. Don't judge me. I'm chasing wine. Hey y'all. Once again, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these little pieces that I got from Fashionnova for my Denver trip. I have to go there for my dad's services, and so I decided to get some little cute little pieces to go out there. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. If you're not new here, don't forget to like this video. And drop any comments, as I always say, in the comment section. You already know, right down there. Yeah, drop them. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna play a drinking game. So you're gonna drink. Get your drink ready, okay? Get your drink ready. I don't care what it is. Alcoholic, preferably, not anything virgin, okay? So anytime I say the word Fashionnova, you're gonna shot. You're gonna take a sip. You're gonna do something of an alcoholic beverage. No water, no juice, no tea. We're gonna talk about some tea slightly, but alcoholic. Okay, so I constantly order from Fashionnova, right? I am a person that will return things if I have things that need to be returned. I get it. Fashionnova charges you to return. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna get my gift card with my money on it, and I'm gonna use that gift card to go towards something else, right? I mean, I'm not gonna keep stuff that I can't fit or wear or that I don't like, right? So here's my current beef with Fashionnova. You guys saw my last try on video, which I will drop right here. And there were a couple pieces in that video that I did not like the way it fit my body. And so I sent them back. So the two pieces I sent back were black bodysuit with the V. Oh, I have got some heels from Fashionnova that, give me one second. So I don't know if you guys remember these from that video. I didn't really go into like too much detail on them because the quality is not the greatest. But I have bought these. So these are in black, right? And so I have bought these, but also in like a nudish color, and they just looked cheap, so those got sent back. So I sent back the black bodysuit, the black bodysuit, the nude heels, that's 2. And then I sent back one more item. Oh, that creamy ivory whatever looking dress, sent it back. Okay, so here's where I might have messed up. I did the prepaid shipping with Fashionnova to send back my items, and I think the prepaid shipping is like $7.99, right? So nothing, it's not expensive or anything. So in the one box that I shipped back, I sent 3 items. 1 was from one order and 2 was from another order number, right? So Fashionnova emails me and they are like, yeah, we're confirming that we received your order. Allow 5 to 7 business days for your refund. Well, they give me my refund and it's only for like one part of the order. So where's my money for the rest of my order, Fashionnova? Like, where's my money? You still owe me money for the other 2 items that I returned. And I'm like, I don't know if it was confusing to them because it was 2 order numbers packed into one box. But y'all clearly opened the box and saw that all 3 items were not on that one order. So I don't understand why they still haven't refunded me my money. And this was like early December. I've written them like, I don't know, numerous times, I will say, honestly. I feel like they just have like a robot or somebody working for them, or whoever works for them. It's very generic. I feel like they have a script or verbatim that they just copy and paste and send it to you. I don't feel like they read your emails. I don't feel like they actually take the time. Customer service, it's subpar. Like, I don't feel like their customer service is where it needs to be. If I'm emailing you, you should, if you work in customer service or if you own a business, your business is built around your clientele, your customers, right? So you sending me this generic copy and paste, if you think that I don't know that that's a copy and paste, like, you got me fucked up. Like, seriously. Because yeah, like, and like I was saying, so if you work in customer service, like, it's important for you to make sure that your clientele or your customer is pleased, and you should take their issues personally. That's how I feel if I was a business owner. I'm not, granted, I am my business. But no, if I was a business owner, like, it's like you have to take, you know, these customers' issues personally and make sure that they get resolved. So there's no reason why I have had to email y'all 3 times and still have not gotten my money back, and y'all still keep sending me the same messages, like these generic messages that say, we apologize for the inconvenience, da 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 da, let's resend your gift card. Bitch, I already have the gift card. I have 1 gift card, y'all owe me another. These are, like, what's the issue? Like, then they have the option to chat with someone on their website, right? You're chatting with a robot. You're not even allowed to chat with a real that's stupid. Like, seriously, I don't even know if they have a phone number to contact them. So the only way to reach out to them is like via email. Everybody knows texting, emailing, whatever, it's all the same. It's hard to clarify things when you can't actually like verbalize and explain your situation to them. So I guess that must be the issue. Whoever they have working for them in customer service sucks. Their customer service sucks. But I'm gonna keep shopping with them because they got some cheap stuff on there, some stuff I can't find in stores. So rant over. Let's get to this. So I got these high-waisted jeans in a size 3. Hopefully they fit. I'm getting fat, so I have like 2 other pair of black jeans from Fashionnova. Of course, they fade like all jeans do, but they always be having this little. Ooh, this waist looks. Oh, they're stretchy. I said this waist look a little small to be a 3, but this is what they look like. Oh, baby, what y'all remember what I told y'all about when I get my butt? These are gonna be cute. I'm gonna have that slim waist, and yes, these are gonna be cute. But anyways, so these are the pants. I don't think they see. Sometimes Fashionnova offers. They have sizing that are like, I want to say like short, tall, whatever. And so a few of the last pair of pants I was able to order from Fashionnova. I was able to order them in a short because I'm short. I'm only 5'1". If that. Sorry, I see something like a stain or something on here. See, it be shit like this. Okay. Anywho, yeah. So typically I've been ordering shorts because, again, like I said, I'm short. But these particular jeans did not come in. It did not have that option, so they're gonna be probably long, and that's fine. Whatever. They're cute. They're cool. I won't really know how they look until I try them on. So, oh, I'm already unboxing and I didn't show you guys what it is. This is part of my little outfit that I plan on wearing to the services. So I think I'm going to wear like, because it's just going to be like a really brief service, memorial service at the Fort Logan Military Cemetery. And so I think they said like maybe 20 minutes. So I'm just probably gonna wear like this black turtleneck with those black jeans and probably those Louis Vuittons that I just got. I don't know. Or something else. I might put something together more dressy. Oh, and like a peacoat or something like that. I love this. The quality of it. I mean, it feels very soft. I like that. Oh, so I got that same turtleneck, but in like a nude color because I don't own any too much nude. like a nudie. Yeah, it's like a nude blushy color. Probably more so nude. Next. Oh no, let's do this two-piece next. Next, we got this little two-piece. What size? This is a, oh, this looks really big. Damn, I should have got an extra small. Oh, this looks really big, actually. Look, this shit is huge, dog. Oh my gosh. This is huge. I guess we'll see how it looks when I try it on, and I probably need to try it on before I pack it. So that's the top, and then the bottoms. Yeah, the bottoms are just these little leggings or whatnot. And it has the little zipper. Y'all can see the zipper. So that'll be cute. That'll be cute. Hopefully it fits and it's not too long, because it definitely is looking like an outfit for somebody tall. I got this jacket, which this jacket looks a little big too, but this is extra small. So this is just like something to like throw on when you're going out, especially when I'm going to be in Denver. It's going to be cold. Throw it over like a black onesie or something like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I just realized I didn't show y'all the name of it. So let me show you the name. Uh-oh. So this stuff is looking really big. Ooh, I don't know. But it's cute. It has a little black sweatpant looking arms. And last, oh, I ain't said Fashionnova enough, but Fashionnova. That's 2 shots I gotta take. And I'm taking 2 sips. Just because I didn't sip enough. So lastly, I have this little trendy looking hoodie. Can y'all see it? Okay. So I was kind of wondering if this would be considered childish because of the wording it has on the front of it. It says like finesse or whatever on the front. If it's childish, y'all let me know what y'all think. We came to the conclusion that it was just trendy, I guess. I feel like it could be childish. I'm 32, so I don't know if I should be wearing clothes with words on the front of them necessarily. Oh, this jacket ended up being bigger than I thought. It's just like a little windbreaker, but like I said, on the front of it, get out of my way. On the front of it, it says finesse. So, but I love this orange. It's so bold and bright. Yeah, I really like this piece a lot. This is probably my favorite. Is that terrible? I really thought the 2-piece outfit was going to be my favorite, but that was an epic fail. Yeah, this is my favorite. Like I said, I think it's because of the bright oranginess of it. But so that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching my Fashionnova unboxing / unpacking video 2-pack for my trip for Colorado. You can check me out on Instagram. I'll insert my Instagram here, and it's in the description, down in the description box. And so yeah, check out my Instagram because I'll probably do a lookbook there. I'll be vlogging the trip, of course. It's gonna be interesting. We're gonna see how this trip goes, okay? I'm a little nervous. I don't think reality has set in for me yet about the reason I am going, and you know, like I said, the purpose. But I'll let y'all follow me. You'll be there with me. So I mean, I don't know about it to the memorial services, but y'all pray for me, okay? I'll be back with another video. Until next time.